Articles in English. In English language, articles are of two kinds. Indefinite article AON and definite article the. What are indefinite article? A is used before the words whose first letter of spelling is consonant. For example, a boy, a table, a house, a book. And it is also used before the words which begin with a vowel, but pronunciation is just like a consonant. For example, a 1 rupee note, you a unique, chance a year, universal truth, a European. N is used before the words whose first letter of spelling is a vowel A, E, I, O, U. For example, an enemy, an ox, an inkpot, an S. It is also used before the words whose first letter of spelling is silent and they begin with a vowel sound. Sound is vowel but their spelling is silent. Honorable, an honorable man, an honest person, an hour, an honorary, an heir. N is also used before certain abbreviations whose pronunciation sounds like a vowel. N MP, N MA, N MLR, N FIR, N SDO, N HMT, etc. Above abbreviations when used in full form, then article A is used. A member of parliament but N MP. A master of arts but N MA. So, rules for the use of the article AON. AON is used before nouns. Rule first, when any singular countable noun is used for the first time in a sentence. For example, I have a novel. She is a girl. Allahabad is an intellectual city. There is an eagle. When a singular countable noun denotes a class as a cow, means all cows, okay? A cow has horns means all cows have horns. An eagle flies means all eagles. And which are non-complement. She is a liar, he is an expert. It is also used AON before an adjective, before an adverb, that is noun, as he is a handsome boy, okay? Adjective, an honest girl. Article AN is also used once before the noun with more than one adjectives. Although if the nouns show more than one person or thing, then AON is used before each of them. She gave me a white and red pen, only one pen, a white and red pen. She gave me or he gave me a red and a white pen, two pens, both are different, two pens. He is an ugly and foolish man, one person. There are an ugly and a foolish man, two persons. Next rule, article AN is used after such a thing has never happened before. Such a thing, okay, after such a thing. He gave us such a pleasant surprise. A is used before few, before little. She is a little girl. A few apples. Another article, the definite article the. The is used before definite or specific person or specific thing. This is the book. This is the house. I like the boy. The is used before singular noun which represents a whole class. A whole class it represents. The horse, the rose. The horse is a useful animal. The rose is the most beautiful flower. The is also used before the name of gulfs, rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and group of islands. The Persian Gulf, the Ganga, the Arab Ocean, the Himalayas, the West Indies. It is also used before common nouns which are unique in the world. The sun, the moon, the sky or the earth. It is also used when an adjective is used as a noun as the rich people, the poor people. The rich are proud, the poor are honest. It is also used the is also used before the superlative degree. She is the richest girl. Sonal is the richest girl, or which is the latest built mosque in Delhi. The richest, the latest.